Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to comment a photo on a TikTok video. So first of all, you need to open the TikTok application. After opening the application, you need to select the video where you want to comment a photo in the comment section. For example, let's take this video. Now you have to open its comment section by clicking here. After that, you'll see an option here next to the emoji. This is the one you need to click on. As soon as you click on it, you'll see that your photos from your gallery will appear here. From these, you can select whichever one you want to add there. And after that, if you want to type a comment, you can add a comment here as well. Then, when you click here, you'll see that the photo has been posted in the comment. So in this way, you can comment any photo in the comments section of any technical video. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.